Today, we're diving into my full review of Universal Credit, a UK government service designed to support individuals with low income or who are out of work. Whether you're applying for the first time or looking to understand more about the service, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. Universal Credit combines several benefits into one payment, such as job seekers allowance, housing benefit, and working tax credit. This is designed to simplify the process of claiming benefits for those in need. The application process is done entirely online through the official website. First, you'll need to create an account. Once you're logged in, the site will ask for personal details like your national insurance number, income, and living situation. This is a crucial step to help determine the amount of universal credit you're eligible for. The platform's interface is fairly straightforward, though there are some sections that can be confusing if you're not familiar with the system. Once your details are submitted, you'll be given a to-do list which outlines tasks such as booking an appointment or uploading documents. Keep an eye on this list, as failing to complete tasks on time can delay your claim or cause problems further down the road. The website also has an option to contact the support team if you run into any issues. Navigating through the website after signing up is relatively simple. You can check your claim status, update personal information, and track your payments all from your dashboard. The payments themselves are made monthly, which can be a bit tricky if you're not used to budgeting large sums at once. One thing to note about Universal Credit is that it does require you to maintain regular contact with them through your online account. This includes reporting any changes in income or living arrangements. Failure to report these changes can result in overpayments, which you will need to pay back. Many useful links can be found in the description below, including helpful guides and additional resources to help with your application process. Overall, Universal Credit can be a great resource, especially if you're going through a tough financial time. However, the process can be a bit overwhelming, and it's important to stay on top of your tasks. If you're unsure at any point, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for assistance. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews.